Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify payment information on App Store. So first, in your iPhone, head over and click on App Store. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon. Then once again, click on your profile. Now from here, in your account settings page, click on Manage Payments. From the Manage Payments page, you can see all your mode of payments available. Now for you to be able to verify payment information, click on your specific payment method. And from here, verify that all the information about this payment method is correct. You can edit them out. Say for example, you're trying to change a detail about a debit or credit card, you can do it here. You can change the expiration date or CVV code. And once you've clarified that everything is good, you can head over and click on Done or Save at the top right corner of your screen. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!